Hey y'all, I'm getting on YouTube looking crazy as hell, but don't mind me. It's me, Lil Mo, back at it again. But anyways, I'm about to get ready for the FSO meet. Don't mind me, I'll be right back. Hey y'all, I'm not wigless no more. Y'all wouldn't even tell. It's giving scalp. I'm not even ready yet, but giving scalp. I'm finna go live right now. I was having an outfit crisis. I'm finna just wear my black jumper, and I'm finna wear my Steelers jacket with my Jordan ones in the black socks. Hey, I'm gonna go live right now. Being ready. Alright, I'm gonna see y'all. Bye. Y'all, so we live right now, as y'all can see. I'm finna put this in the vid. Oh, I'm getting a whole call. Y'all, I'll be back on live. Hold up. Alright, y'all, so once again, I am picking up Boosie because you know he's always there to help us out. Yeah, I just put up to his crib. I just put up to his spot. You know, we about to roll out pretty soon because we're running late and we were supposed to be pulling up there right now. Yeah, I'm hungry, so my fat ass might have to slide past McDonald's. I don't know if I can handle this without something. Period. Oh. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's good, vlog?
You can move that box.
You got the whole crock pot in here and everything.
I got YouTube. So basically, my fat ass, you know, we had to come to Mickey Dicks. Alright, here's your drink, bro. Wait, take this. Hold on.
Yeah,
I'm parking and eating. I don't give a fuck how late I am. I'm eating my fucking grub. You feel ya dig? You know what's going on. Fuck about none of that shit.
Fuck you mean?
Fuck you mean? Taylor Port. Fuck you mean? Some fries.
Oh damn! I hung up on that nigga too early. Big hungry. It's him. It's him.
Yeah.
Your stomach burning.
Y'all see that?
Yeah, delete that part.
Oh yeah.
Can't even use that.
When?
Where have you been?
I got on my face. Y'all, I just finished my food. I feel so enlarged right now. Like my stomach feel like it's finna bust. It's gonna bust at night. So we have 46 minutes to get there because we had to stop because I wanted to. And I'm not taking the blame.
Yeah, it's all on you. You just said it on camera too. Don't even try to edit that out.
But yeah, we finna be on the way now. I don't like driving and recording at the same time, so y'all know the vibe, y'all know the deal. I'll see y'all.
Buckle up for your safety, twin.
I'll see y'all in a little bit.
$10.
Look at this.
Hold on.
What you mean?
Oh, you official with the security shirt? Turn around real quick. Yeah. Oh yeah, you already know how we come. Real organized. There's Battelle. Not her brakes sounding like mine. Go. Nah. I know, yo, like we pulled up the exact same. It's JD Cakes. Ah, she looks so cute as fuck. Like, this is Lexia. She took the wrap off.
That shit look nice white.
I know, I love it white. Yo, this is a good ass spot. Look at Battelle! Our shit look good. I put my plate cover back on too, y'all.
Huh?
Say what's up, Paul.
That don't need to be open.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm chilling. I'm
Chilling.
cold.
Chilling. Oh, this is Kristen Ace. Let's go. Down in the A, bro?
Don't, hold on, cause I was just on the phone. When I was on the phone with you, you was saying everybody in Atlanta shitty, they ain't fucking with the North. You said that.
Man, get out of here.
Yeah.
We gonna see what you talking later then, since niggas want to be. I'm saying,
snitching.
okay. Man. nitpicking, twin. Don't be nitpicking. Alright.
Damn.
Huh.
Straight forward.
Hold on. Use your fucking turn signal. Yeah, I know where I'm going. Anyways, we got Patel on the cam duty right now. So as of right now, Orange King just pulled up, so everything getting lit. You might have to retwist this. I don't know how you want it.
I don't know how this shit.
But anyways, yeah, everything going pretty smoothly, y'all. I'm actually pretty excited for today. I feel like it's gonna go swell, and the pit looking nice and juicy and thick. You know what I'm saying? So, but we still on the way to the quick trip because Mo gotta go let it loose. We outside. You already know what the fuck going on, YouTube. Tune in. Tune into that. Damn, now I smell like bounce that ass.
Hey, Jay. Moesha. Say no. We just going to quit trip right now. Niggas about to come and get some shit.
No, niggas think they special.
Hey.
Oh yeah, I'm finna give me some time. You still recording? Oh.
Nigga, I don't know how to turn this shit
Cut
off.
all this off, bro. You don't even know what the fuck she doing. You looking at my ass.
We got Beatty. Yo.
Put it in first, man.
Put it in first one. Supercharging this RT shit got me activated. Supercharging this RT shit got me activated.
Oh, she actually signed that hoe. Damn.
That shit hard.
And it's a 14, bro. You good. I'm gonna airdrop it to your phone. You gonna get the full quality.
Okay.
Yeah, I do this shit, and we got a whole 4K camera right here. Look.
Trying to come back.
I tried to get you, but it was a lot of niggas in the way. But it did look good from over here, though.
No, that be
shit look. I thought you was about to go all the way around.
Oh my nigga.
Glad. Twin, but you is not from down here.
Man, where that megaphone at, son? Come
No. Chill out.
If you don't get the squeezy bottle, you not a thorough nigga.
Ugly? You just want to spend more money. Both
What's
of
the
them,
deal?
it's
It's
mine.
no, you already know what the deal. This nigga right here can't slide. I don't know. He's not packing shit out and he's not throwing that ass. So,
Hey, yo,
I
hold
just want to
on.
come on the channel and
No,
say some
cut that
factual
out.
statements to the channel. Yeah, I just had to let that be.
Don't forget I'm the one editing this shit. Ugly ass.
Alright, so what was that shit you was talking to?
Death Row got
What was that shit?
Death Row got a foot on.
What was that shit you was talking?
I'm scared. Somebody get in the pit with
If
me.
you a slider, you a slider.
Bro, y'all ain't heard about the North then, bro. Y'all ain't listening.
Man, alright, we both from up north, so how about you show us
Come
what
on.
up north got?
Come on, I'll give y'all a few
Alright.
spins.
Okay.
I ain't going crazy. I still gotta drive 7 hours back.
better than Draco, dude.
Stupid. Whites need to learn their art lesson.
Here we are parked up at the BP right now. You already know. Let me check out Rocket. Oh my gosh! Y'all see that? Oh my god! Yes sir, we got the J right here. Fuck we talking about? Hold on, I'm gonna show you that lineup. We outside.
Oh, we shot.
Oh, we shot.
Oh, we shot.
Yeah. Don't ever laugh at my breaks again.
You know that? You know what else?
Don't ever. Man, fuck you, nigga, and fuck you. Fuck you talking about, nigga. Man, y'all niggas laughing and shit, cackling.
I laughed at you. I was like, you know what? She just posted. Then you start, hey. I'm already knowing.
Nah, I got that on vid, bro. You was. Okay. Yeah. That shit valid. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir.